Hello everyone, how are you doing? So welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share a recipe, a French recipe with you, which we are probably we use this as a starter. So it names is caviar d'aubergine in French. So we use brinjals in this. So I will tell you all the ingredients in description box. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So let's get started with the recipe. So you got to have some brinjals, cut it like this, peeled and cut it in slices, thick slices, because we are going to deep fry them like this. Here we go. So our brinjals are frying in a fryer. You can see we will fry them until they are half done or golden brown. Those are fried now. As you can see, it's properly golden brown, beautifully done. You have to keep it in such a thing like strainer, and afterwards the oil will strain out in some dish like this, and we will use it afterwards, the oil. Okay, so here we have a large pan, and I put 1 spoon of oil, like this spoon, the oil which we get from the aubergine, from the brinjals. I extracted the oil. See, 1 spoon like this, and here we got 6 onions, 6 or 7 onions, small onions, red ones, chopped finely. And I'm going to put these onions in the oil, and we are going to shallow fry these onions until they get light golden brown texture. Like this. You have to put very small quantity of oil because we have enough oil in our brinjals already, because they are deeply fried. Okay, so now we are going to take another pan while our onions are frying on another stove. We have to take another pan, and I'm taking the same oil, 1 spoon oil, and I'm going to put 4 to 5 tablespoons of chopped garlic like this. And we have to fry it until it gets a golden brown, light golden brown color. Onion are frying on another stove, and this is on another pan. So I'll show you afterwards. Okay, so as you can see, our garlics are brown like this, golden brown. Now we have to add a dry mint leaves like this. We are going to put 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoons of dried mint leaves. You will mix them like this and put your stove off afterwards. Don't cook it too much like this. And now you have to off the stove. Okay guys, so our onions are almost sauté. It's like this. Like this. Now you have to put your brinjals. Here we have the brinjals fried. And mix them well. You have to mix them very well like this with the onions. Like we have to mix them for 4 to 5 minutes, and we got this type of texture now. Now will we put the spices. I've got here turmeric, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and same quantity of salt. You can adjust the spices as to your taste, and again mix them very well like this, and afterwards you can off the heat. Just turn off your stove like this. Now we are going to turn off the stove, and we are going to put in other ingredients. Okay guys, so now we have to put, I have here this thing, it calls Kashk. It's a dairy product. Usually we use this in Irani foods. You can see it looks like this. Okay, we have to put this 1, 2, and 3, approximately 4 full spoons of Kashk here. Now you have to mix and turn on the heat. Please turn on the stove now. On low heat we are going to mix this. Brinjals, Kashk, spices and onions. Now we are going to put the garlic we have already prepared with dry mint. This one. And now you are going to mix it well, just for 5 minutes on low heat. Like this. Sorry for the noise because I'm recording this video in my restaurant. Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, so now it's done. So I will show you the final look afterwards, how it looks like, and it is really very delicious. You have to try this. Okay, so just mix it well so they can get in a mashed form like this. So here we go guys. So I will show you the final step afterwards. Okay ladies and gentlemen, so here it is, the final look. I served this caviar d'aubergine on a small piece of bread. As you can see, I layered it with bread, and on the top I used fromage de chèvre, means cheese, goat cheese. Okay, so here it is. You can serve this with anything you want. You can serve this in Indian Pakistani recipes with naan also. So please, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.